This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 41 of Building Eleanor. This time we've got the gearbox cover and support bracket. I say cover, it's not really covering the gearbox. There is no gearbox, but it is covering where the gearbox would be, I assume. This is going on there, 2 brackets to hold it in place. It's just a case of getting that lined up properly on there, like so. 2 screws will hold that in place from the other side.
2 screws and from the other side to your shopping list.
Then 2 other screws will hold this bracket in place from this side. So let's actually they attach from the other side as well. Can I do it all in one? Maybe. Let's try that. We'll get that in place on there as well. Let's see, can we hold all that together? It's probably a bit too much to do all in one, but we'll find out. Well, I've got the screws out. That's one more than I normally do. Let's see if we can get that in there. There we go. Another one of those at the top. I'll do that with that one hand. Get that on there properly first. There we go. So that will hold the gearbox cover in place, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. And then it's just the bracket to screw in place. Yeah. The screw in the screw hole is so much easier than not. That one in there. And then the other one over this side. So there we have it. That is now there. I shall get those tightened up. But that is another little piece completed. Fairly quick build. Next time I think is even quicker. So next time we'll have a look through the magazine as well. So I shall see you for that in a couple of days. Apart from that, hope you're enjoying it. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.